I am so happy to be here, to be opening the first new park and new playing fields in Tysons. When we started off talking about having 16 fields, then we bumped it up to 20, in Tysons, it seemed a very long way off. But here we are, opening up our first fields, and there are more that have been approved and more will follow. This is a great thing. And so is the Stream Valley Park. We need those natural areas, particularly in an urbanizing place like Tysons.
Well, Tysons historically has been a place of shopping malls and office buildings, and no parks and very few people living here. And if we're going to have a lot of people living here, which there will be in 20, 30, and 40 years, they also need to have parks. And so this park starts that process of making it into a real livable place.
Great cities have great parks. If you've traveled around, you've probably noticed that. New York, Boston, Chicago, San Francisco, to mention a few. They all have great public park spaces that define them. Fairfax County has its own iconic parks, as well as a gold medal park system. Parks attract residents, tourists, and business, and ultimately give a boost to the economy.
Well, there was a series of public facilities that developers need to comply with, and we chose to construct 2 athletic fields. We think they're certainly in demand, and that it's a great benefit, public community benefit.